One example application we have built is MonAMI, which monitors the AMI rollout and provides real-time insights into the low voltage and mid voltage network. This digital twin application utilizes real-time information from smart meters, smart devices, and other IoT sensors, combined with static information regarding the network to present data running through Utilihive in a smart way. Visualization tools and applications allow you to drill down into data clusters. View asset data from given measuring points stored in the data lake. View data logs in a variety of formats, timeframes, and comparison views. Query historical data to view events and alarms at specific locations. You can drill down into message logs to explore more detailed information. Search for specific metering points to explore related assets. MonAMI provides easy-to-use visualization tools and offers more insights into your low voltage and medium voltage network. Better yet, with Utilihive you get the API to build your own applications. Based on GraphQL, you can query the data in exactly the same way using the same APIs to build innovative, data-driven applications and services.